Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Orly NASA collaboration. There are 4 polishes here, and then also 4 different space-themed polish strips. I will show close-ups of these when we get into the swatches. So I will link the Orly website down below where you guys can check these out. 4 polishes all together, and I'll get into the swatches.
So Orly also had some nail wraps, nail stickers, nail polish strips. They call them nail stickers, but I think I know them as all 3 of those come out in this collection. This is the Hubble Space Telescope one. This one is Artemis 1. And I like that little oddball white NASA one that's in all of these. This one is the James Webb Space Telescope. And you can also bundle these on the Orly website with the nail stickers and like the corresponding polish. And this one is Voyager. And I actually really like that these come out in these Orly collaboration collections. The first polish is called Golden Record, and this is just a gold metallic. So good formula on this one. It's a really nice metallic gold. It covers really well. There are definitely some brush strokes in there, but those do calm down and dissipate quite a bit as it dries. And this was really opaque on the first coat, so no surprise that it covered completely for me in 2 coats. So that is 2 coats of Golden Record. The next polish is called Perseverance, and this is a rusty, kind of shimmery red. Great formula on this one. It was nearly a 1-coater, and it was a lot creamier than I thought it was going to be just from looking at it in the bottle. The shimmer that's in there is great. There are virtually no brush strokes through that shimmer at all. It just gives a really nice glow to the polish. And I did put 2 coats on here, which did cover completely, but I probably could have gotten away with just 1 coat. So that is 2 coats of Perseverance. The next polish is called Spirit of Peace, and this is a clear-based glitter topper with some gold and white tiny glitters and a gold shimmer mixed in. I'm layering this over Perseverance. I really like the shifting gold to green shimmer in there. It's going to look very gold on camera, but in person I could see a little bit of a green shift. I really like how the light reflects off of those gold glitters, where they almost look like they're curled up or like a little more 3D, but they are not. They lay completely flat. I do feel like the white glitter was just a little bit too dense for me to use as a topper, so I did end up kind of scraping a bit off with my brush and putting it back in the bottle. And this is glitter, so you will have some texture and it will be difficult to remove. That is 1 coat of Spirit of Peace. And the last polish is called View from L2, and this is a silver holographic really fine glitter and a really fine blue metallic glitter mixed into this kind of smoky, shimmery black base. I really like this. I kind of assumed going into this that it would just be glitter and a black jelly base, and that would be it, like a very basic, obvious space polish, but I really like how they did a shimmery base and they added that blue glitter. It makes this just a little bit more special than what I assumed it was. This covered completely for me in 2 coats, and you will have some texture from that glitter. So that is 2 coats of View from L2.
So I'm really excited about this collaboration. This may be like a humble brag, not so humble brag, but one of my top 3 favorite cousins is actually an engineer at NASA. And we're all just very proud of him, and we like to brag about him all the time because he is so just ridiculously smart. And so when I saw this, I got really excited because I just immediately thought of him. My favorite is going to be View from L2. So I like the theme around the collection, but I will say the majority of the polishes are not polishes that I would like go to the store, see on the shelf and buy, or that I would even like go to my collection and really pick out to wear on their own. I do really like View from L2 though. I get where they're going with like, it looks like stars in space. I like that they didn't just put it in a black jelly, they put it in this slightly kind of shimmery, really deep, like I can't even decide if I think this is like a shimmery black or if I think this is a really deep navy, but I do like that they went a slight different direction with it instead of just putting silver glitter in a black jelly, which is honestly probably what I would have thought of doing, so I appreciate that. So that is the Orly NASA collaboration. Again, I will link the Orly website down below where you guys can check those out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.